Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out unwanted stuff from your nose. It could be dust, pollen, pepper, or even a strong smell. Anything that irritates the inside of your nose. Inside your nose, you have tiny hairs and sensitive nerve endings. When they get irritated, they send a message to your brain. The brain then sends out a command to get rid of the irritant. And boom, you sneeze. It's like your body's built-in defense system. A powerful blast of air that travels up to 160 kilometers per hour. Sometimes bright light or even cold air can trigger a sneeze. And yes, some people even sneeze when they pluck their eyebrows. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body being smart and protective. Bless you.